Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the session. And all of you who are present in this session, I assure you that by investing these 20 minutes of your magical morning, you will get some value from this session. And this is the best way to start your day by practicing mindfulness. And the topic for today's session is emotional healing. हमारे जीवन में चाहे हम कितने होशियार हो और किसी चीज में कितने भी मास्टर क्यों ना हो जाए, इन लाइफ देयर आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच आर आउट ऑफ आवर कंट्रोल, जिसके ऊपर हमारा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है। एंड इस मोमेंट से हम सभी को गुजरना होता है, लाइक लॉस ऑफ समवन इन योर फैमिली, लॉस ऑफ योर जॉब, समथिंग विच was painful, a kind of suffering, a kind of sorrow. And these situations make you feel down emotionally. Today, we are going to work on this area of our life. And now, let's begin our day with practicing mindfulness. माइंडफुलनेस के कई फायदे होते हैं, जिसमें सबसे बड़ा फायदा यह है कि आप हमेशा अवेयरनेस में रहते हो, आप हमेशा सतर्क रहते हो आपके थॉट्स, वर्ड्स और एक्शंस में। And then you can predict the result of your actions because you are always in awareness. अगर मैं ये करता हूँ तो उसका क्या अंजाम होगा, you already know it. And that's how you can decide the course of your life, because you realize that challenges, situations, and problems are only 10%. How you respond to that challenge, situation, or problems, that is 90%, and that defines the course of your life. Now, everyone, please sit straight and close your eyes. Pay attention on breathing in and breathing out. Be the watchman at the door of your nose and be aware of your every breath coming in and going out. And now pay attention on the voice that you can hear. Observe it and be aware of it. Now together pay attention on breathing in, breathing out, and the voice that you can hear. Pay attention on the colors that you can see while your eyes are closed. If you can see any particular color or there is no color at all, it's complete darkness, observe it and be aware of it. And now together pay attention on breathing in, breathing out, the voice that you can hear and the colors that you can see. Pay attention on the touch that you can feel of your own clothes on your body and your own weight on the surface where you are seated. Observe it and be aware of it. And now pay attention together on breathing in, breathing out, the voice that you can hear, the colors that you can see, and the touch that you can feel. Pay attention on the taste that you can feel on your tongue. If there is any particular taste you feel, or there is no taste at all, observe it and be aware of it. And now pay attention together on breathing in, breathing out, the voice that you can hear, the colors that you can see, the touch that you can feel, and the taste that you can observe on your tongue. Please make sure that you are seated straight. Your spinal cord is in straight or in erected position. When your spinal cord is in erected position, it works like a signal to the source energy, and your eyes will remain closed throughout the session. And now, by paying full attention on all our senses, we are completely in the present moment. Your mind is not wandering in the past. Your mind is not wandering in the future. You are completely in this present moment. And this moment is the truth. This present moment is the reality. We all must practice to live in this moment always and forever. And now I want each one of you to imagine your life like happening right before your very eyes and running like a movie from start to end. And you will see there are many happy moments and many sad moments. Life is never same. The time is never same. It keeps changing. The thing which is same is the change. Life changes. Change is the thing that is always there. And one thing you realized, things that happened with you so far, you are not the only one who is going through it. Someone, somewhere, some time ago must have gone through it. This realization gives you an understanding to say it's okay. Nothing serious is going on here. The situation that I'm going through, I'm not the only one who is going through this situation in this world. While going through situation which is out of our control, we may feel angry, we may feel stressed, we may feel worried, fearful, anxiety. We need to be aware of these feelings. When you are aware of these feelings, you can take control and command these feelings to go away from you. Today, we are going to realize the presence of these feelings, acknowledge it, and command it to go away from you. It's okay to feel worried. It is just an emotion, energy in motion that needs your attention like a small child. Whenever you feel worried, be in that moment. Give your attention to the feeling of being worried. Accept it. Yes, I am worried in this moment. Acknowledge it and command it that I release this feeling of being worried. Remember, your words create your world. The moment you command it, it goes away from you. It's okay to feel angry sometimes at someone or at some situation. It is just an emotion, energy in motion, which needs your attention like a small child. So whenever you feel you're getting angry, get angry. Acknowledge this feeling of getting angry. Feel it. Be aware of it and command it. I release this feeling of getting angry. And the moment you command it, it goes away from you. It's okay to feel the feeling of fear. It may happen that something happened that which is out of your control. And now you're feeling fearful about it. Remember, this is just an emotion, energy in motion that needs your attention like a small child. Whenever you feel the feeling of fear, observe it, acknowledge it, be aware of it, and command it. I release this feeling of fear. And the moment you command it, it goes away from you. It's okay to feel stressed. We have to take care of our professional life, personal life, maintain a work-life balance. While doing all these things, it may happen that you feel stressed. Be aware of this feeling, acknowledge it. It's just an emotion, energy in motion that needs your attention like a small child. Always remember this and command it. I release this feeling of being stressed. And the moment you command it, it goes away from you. It's okay to feel time bound anxiety. I want to do this in this time. I want to do this in that time. It's absolutely normal to feel time bound anxiety. Whenever you feel the feeling of anxiety, be aware of it, acknowledge it, and remember this is just an emotion, energy in motion that needs your attention like a small child. Whenever in your life you realize that I'm feeling anxiety, acknowledge it, be aware of it, and command it. I release this feeling of being stressed, being in anxiety, being in anger, being worried, being fearful. And the moment you command, all these feelings go away from you. And the very next moment, you will have to say this sentence 3 times. It's okay. Nothing serious is going on here. It's okay. Nothing serious is going on here. It's okay. Nothing serious is going on here. And this practice will bring back your attention to the present moment where you will feel peace of mind. You will feel the power of now, the power of present moment. And you will feel that there is something you can create again. Whatever happened with you, it is not something new that happened with you. Many people have gone through this situation in the past and they had overcome on it. You can also do it. And now let's spend 2 minutes in the spare of silence. And now we have created a strong aura around you, a very strong positive magnetic field around you, which will only attract positive energy and which will not allow any negative energy to even touch you. I want each one of you to carry this energy all throughout the day and deal with every person and situation with love and grace. Now, slowly come back to this moment and slowly, gradually open your eyes. Those participants who want to go for sharings, please go ahead, unmute yourself or raise your hand. We can go for 2 to 3 sharings for today.
Vikas sir, good morning. This is Gayatri.
Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, thank you so much. It was really a good way to begin the day. And indeed, the thoughts that you take us through will keep us positive and focused. So, thank you very much, sir, and have a great day yourself.
Thank you, Gayatri, for acknowledging it. And I'm happy that I'm able to add value in your life through this session. Thank you so much. Yes, Chetana, please go ahead.
This is my first session, and I'm happy to be here. All these things always add to you at a spiritual level, and only that's when you enjoy and be a part of it. But my takeaway today, sir, is that you've actually simplified Vipassana. I mean, you've just, I have done Vipassana and it's been a while, and I always want to keep doing it, but it's very difficult for me to rejuvenate. But this has reminded me of whether it's a book of, whether it's Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, whether it is Vipassana, whatever it is, you've really simplified it for us and made it possible for us to do it in everyday lifestyle, which is, I think, a great achievement. Thank you for that.
Thank you so much, Chetana, for your precious appreciation and acknowledgement. And yes, we made it in a such a way that 20 minutes is possible for everyone to be in this zone and invest your time and be mindful. So that's how we arranged it and we made it. We designed this program in such a way it will be possible for each one of us to do it. Because I believe in this that we learn lot many things in our life, but what happens in the course of our life, we forget to apply it. So that's how we practiced and we designed this program that we can be in practicing these all things that we learned in the past, and we can carry this knowledge and this skill, and we can live this life beautifully. Thank you, Chetna, for sharing your beautiful experience and your knowledge about it. Nilanshu, please go ahead. We can go for the last sharing for today.
Yeah, good morning, Vikas. So it was really simple. Simply, I have also done many meditations and different things. So, but but simply saying that I release it, that feeling, it really feels light. I feel light and like very light in the head and mind. So it is really very simple thing to do, and we can do it anytime. Just we have to be mindful about it.
Absolutely, Nilanshu. Nilanshu, I really appreciate you for sharing your heart, sharing your feelings every day. And that shows that how consistently you're doing it, how powerfully you're making it and progressing in this area of your life. I acknowledge each one of you who opened your heart and did your sharing with all of us. And now let's move towards the end of this session for today. I believe in this that life is beautiful and we all can make it more beautiful. This world should be a better place because you are born in it. Be a blessing for people around you and be a beautiful gift to this world. Thank you for joining in here, and thank you so much for being with me in this journey of mindfulness, visualization, and awareness. I wish each one of you a very beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.